नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. फाटले खेपेक जेन्ना डिबेट केल्ली तेन्ना PDAचें बायफर्केशन जातलें काय कितें आनी तें जावचें काय कितें हाजेर केल्ली आनी तातूंत भितर म्हाका दिसता बरेच तज्ञांनी आपलें मत उक्तायिल्लें आनी तें मत आयकून कांय जाणांच्या तकलेक उजवाड पडल्यार पडलो अशी आमी अपेक्षा धरिल्ली. तो उजवाड पडलो ना, हें आतां सिद्ध जालां. बायफर्केशन जालां PDAचें आनी 3 मानेस्त आसा म्हजे बरोबर, जें आतां बायफर्केशन जातकीर हाचो गोंयचेर परिणाम कितें जातलो आनी जें जालां ते बरोबर काय चूक हाजेर भासाभास करतले. पयलीं आसात ते काँग्रेसीचे ज्येश्ठ फुडारी आनी नॉर्थ गोवा PDAचे आदले अध्यक्ष आग्नेल बाब फर्नांडीस, वेलकम. दुसरे आसात म्हजे बरोबर हांचेर ह्या डिबेटा भितर खूब व्हडली जबाबदारी आसा, ते गोवा फॉरवर्डाचे चीफ स्पोक्स पर्सन एंड वील बी प्रोबेबली डिफेंडिंग द गव्हर्मेंट हियर, राजन बाब डिमेलो. आनी तिसरे द एक्सपर्ट ऑन द शो, पणजेचे एक नामनेचे आर्किटेक्ट आनी ह्या गजाली भितर तांकां खोलायेन ज्ञान आसा, आर्मिनियो रिबेलो. सर, वेलकम टू द शो. सो ते जस्ट सांगता की आमी नॉर्थ गोवा PDAचे सद्याचे चेअरमॅन मायकल लोबोक ह्या डिबेटा खातीर आपयिल्लो आनी ऐन टायमार सांगलें की एक एमर्जन्सी जाली आनी ते येवपाक शकना म्हूण. कितली खरी कितली फूट म्हाका खबर ना, बट that's why BJP is not represented on this panel. I just want to make it clear at the beginning of the show. And I'll start with Agnel Bab. तुम्ही लास्ट टाइम डिबेटाक जेन्ना आयिल्ले तेन्ना एक गजाल सांगिल्ली की कितें करता तें करात तुमचें राजकारण, पण रिजनल प्लॅनांतल्यो आनीक एरिया काडून त्यो PDA भितर घालून आनी नवीन हे एक्सपान्शन तयार करनाकात म्हणून. पण आज नेमके सरकारान ताच्या विरुद्ध केला आनी हे बायफर्केशन जालां. हाऊ डू यू फील?
म्हाका याद जाता आतां जो PDA चेअरमॅन आसा जो मायकल लोबो, तेणेन स्टेटमेंट केलेलो की हेर धाकट्यो पार्टी सपोर्टींग पार्टीज पळय आसा त्यो लोकांची कामां करची सांडून PDA मागता, पोर्टफोलियोज मागता. 8 म्हयने जाले गव्हर्मेंट जालेल्याक लोकांक पळय कितें आश्वासन दिलेलीं ती आमी कांय पुरी करूंक ना आनी हे फकत पोर्टफोलियोज मागता म्हणून आनी आनीक PDA मागता म्हणून आनी त्यो दिवच्यो न्हू म्हणटालो. आयज आनी आपूण गोंयकारांक लागून सॅक्रिफायस करपी आपणाची PDA कार्ड म्हणून. आयज त्याचो ट्यून दुसरो. टुडे ही इज सेइंग आय एम हॅपी बिकॉज ऑल्दो माय तालिगांव इज गॉन, आय हॅव बीन गिवन पार्रा एंड आरपोरा. म्हणजे कितें केकी वांडा तुमी, एकल्याक पणजे दिले, एकल्याक आरपोरा आनी पार्रा दिले. सो तो गोंयकार असो झगडो नासलो, म्हणजे तो आपणाकूच झगडटालो. तेचे 1 म्हयनो आदी हें आसलें की PDA जावच्यो न्हू, आनीक जावच्यो न्हू म्हणून. आयज म्हणटा आय एम हॅपी बिकॉज आय गॉट 2 more विलेजीस. बिकॉज आनीक ODPन घालपाचे, आनीक कन्वर्शनां करपाची आनी आपणाची बॉल्सां भरपाची. दॅट इज द मिनींग ऑफ वॉट ही इज सेइंग नाव.
Kajan Bab, I'll come to you at the end. Yeah, I'll come to you at the end. But please understand, the first thing that he has said is that तुम्ही केक वाटपा बसल्या म्हणून. So, Arminio Bab,
हांव म्हणत तो म्हणटा रे तो केक बरो वाडटा तो.
I'll come to you. From a neutral expert's point of view, what do you feel? What has happened is right or disastrous?
No, I think that the government has to spell out what is a long-term vision. It cannot simply add, remove, bifurcate, amalgamate. It can't do this randomly. There could be a methodology to this, which I don't know. But assuming that even if there is a methodology, I think that it would be really important for the government to say, have a press conference, have a little presentation, call all the people in the practice field, call the people who are in the construction, call the people who are going to be affected like villages, etc. Make these presentations to them, get them on board and then move forward. But important is to have this vision shared. In absence of vision, everything looks doubtful. What Agnello. What Mr. Agnello has been saying is gives another angle to it. So when you hear this angle to it, and you also know that the government has not been crystal clear in sharing their vision, then the motive becomes doubtful.
ताजन बाब, 2 गजाली आहात. एक पयले म्हळ्यार तुम्ही लोकांक स्पश्टपणान कांय सांगनात. तुम्ही त्या विलेजीक विचारनासतना तांकां काडटात आनी PDA भितर घालतात, त्यो एक्सपांड करतात. तातूंत बांबोळी जावं, सांत आंद्रेंतलो भाग जावं किंवा कदंबा प्लेटो जावं, आनी तातूंतल्यान मागीर डावट येता जो आग्नेल बाबान रेज केल्लो की यू आर लुकिंग एट दीस होल थिंग एज अ केक एंड हू गेट्स वॉट शेअर. becomes your vision statement. How would you defend it?
See what Agnel says, the charge he has made about sharing, this is as far as Michael Lobo is concerned. And it would have been better for Michael Lobo to explain that part. But that the government, I would say the government, the TCP minister, I think is very clear in his vision. So now that the TCP minister is trying to put things in order, stop and save what is left. Don't talk on what has happened in the past. For that, nobody's present TCP minister is not responsible. He's already come on the record that 20 lakhs of square meters minimum.
Tajan Bab, my question
One
is very
minute, let me
simple.
finish.
No, the question is very simple. The question is, तुम्ही सांगले की आमका PDA बायफर्केट करपाक जाय. रिजन्सा भितर आमी मागीर या. आणि तुम्ही सामकी 2-3 महिन्या भितर PDA बायफर्केट करून तातूंत भितर एक्स्ट्रा विलेजीस घालून सगळे फायनलायज करून उडयले. पण अजून तुम्ही सांगनात की तुम्ही रिजनल प्लॅन केन्ना भायर काडटा.
Point is this.
सो पॉलिटिकल विल इज सिलेक्टिव्ह.
No.
की हांगा करपाक जाय.
Wait.
हे उरल्यार कोता येता.
No, kind of. See, you all are looking at everything only PDA. And secondly, the issue is what? Whether the bifurcation is right or wrong. We cannot just not divert it. Let's stick to the bifurcation scenario. The question is, when you bifurcate, you are bringing lesser area to one person. Secondly, people who have to go from one end to the other end, that also is there.
Wrong.
1 minute. Wait,
No,
let me
wrong.
finish. Yeah, I mean, you want me to talk or you want? No, wait. What you think is right, I am thinking
Okay,
what
let
you
him-
think is wrong. 1 minute.
What's your
Let me-
point?
I'm coming. Let me tell you.
Yeah.
He has said the TCP minister has brought a very important, this is bringing a base under 49(6). NOCs from the TCP will be required for purchase of sale of any land, because what is happening today? People are just go to all the villages without any what do you call this, subdivision.
There are
plots are
existing
being-
laws taking action against those kind of conversions.
It is not surveyed, therefore.
Why are you no?
Because
Why are
the
you not implementing the existing law?
That is what I'm trying
and
to tell you.
creating another system.
No, the PDA
to come to the TCP department to seek permission.
The PDA under section 53 has got powers to take action. That is what is exactly happening in Kalamud and Kandoli. You can see all the illegal encroaches being removed. This was never happening by the Panchayat.
But there are laws.
But-
Maybe Panchayat is not taking action, but there are laws. What you had said just now is that
No, his
you have
point
bifurcated.
is whether bifurcation is right or wrong.
Yes.
Debate on that.
No, he is no.
Debate on that.
Debate on that. That was the debate.
He is saying the bifurcation is to make lesser areas given to one person. Michael Lobo, you are adding Parra, Arpora.
Now,
Where is the
Arpora and
argument?
Parra Gram Sabha resolutions are there. So, which people are you talking about? You are talking about a person from Kadamli is going to talk for Arpora, Parra. He has tabled the resolutions of Gram Sabha before the TCP board.
What about
Where his wife is the
Santanre?
Sarpanch?
Huh?
Where his wife is the
No.
Sarpanch?
What about
See, now,
Santanre?
my wife
What
is the
about Santanre? What about Kadamba Plateau? You have resolutions?
See, those are, we are talking first about these two villages.
No, I'm asking you because you're talking on the principle of how you have added the areas.
See, now let us be.
I am on the principle of adding more areas.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
One thing is sure,
Yeah.
there is an MLA representing those areas, not said a word. In fact, he has welcomed it. He is also a representative of the people. So why are you talking about people? Can I talk for Santanre?
So
I come on the media
so
and talk anything what I
your
want.
decision to expand areas will be based upon the political stance of the MLA.
Naturally, he is also an elected representative.
You agree with this?
He is an elected representative.
I think the
No,
question.
let us hear
When
from
you
the
say
expert.
people have to be
Let us
taken
hear
one
from the
side.
expert.
Which people?
No, let us
one
hear
side
from the
Gram
expert.
Sabha, one side
No,
MLA.
let us hear
No,
from
but
the
Ram
expert.
Sabha is also saying no to coal. But that you also.
Let us hear.
We'll
from
get
the-
to that.
Yeah.
The question I had posed is, what is the vision?
Yeah.
All right. Now, I don't see what he has expressed. Basically, he's spoken about illegalities, he's spoken about 49(6), he's spoken about this thing, but what is the vision? Are we going to have 20 PDAs? Are we going to have 200 PDAs? What is the system by which we decide to appoint an area under PDA? Is it based on the potential of growth or development over there? Is it based on the increase in population? Is it based on some
That has been
economic,
exactly said. No,
let him finish.
economic impetus that is coming to that place, which will drive a whole new thing, so I need to understand this. Without understanding this, everything else doesn't make sense. Yeah, so I would request, before even you continue, if Trajan can tell me just on these things. All right, one, what do you think is the overall scenario? What are we heading? Are we removing more areas from the regional plan to bring them on the PDA? How is that happening? where are we going to, what is the final outcome of all this? In the next 5 years, what do you see, how many PDAs, what is going to be amalgamated, what is going to be bifurcated, all right? Is it purely on political needs, or is it purely on planning needs? So this is what I would like to hear. Because otherwise, I'll tell you what I'm saying is. What I'm saying is really, to me as a professional, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
If I listen to general discussion over there, it seems to be entirely political. All right. In absence of this, nothing makes sense. Besides that, whatever they are doing as a government, to me, is not constitutionally correct. All right, because the constitution has laid out that the villages shall do planning themselves. All right, and during the regional plan, the villages participated in this village level committees, and they came out with excellent suggestions for their villages.
Correct.
All right, there was possibility of village level planning, district level planning, and it was possible to move forward on this kind of a framework. Why is it that we are completely ignoring a constitutional requirement and creating our own situations over here, scenarios?
No, Trajan Bab, I'm asking you because he raised a very important point about more villages getting into the PDS. Now, there is a classic example of Pedne. Pedne has been notified under RP 2021. 3 taluka je notify kelle by the last government before it went for election. Pedne, Sattari and Kankon. आता हातूंतलो Pedne notified असा. It has completed that entire process of public suggestions and public participation and तातूंतल्यान the planning तयार करून final plan notify केला. आज तुम्ही सडनली 6 महिन्या उपरांत सांगतात नोटिफाय जाता की 8 वर्षाच्या एक्सरसाइजी उपरांत नोटिफाय जाला आणि 6 महिन्या भितर तुम्ही सांगतात आम्ही थंय एक मोपा पीडीए करतले म्हणून. तर मोपा येतलो हे तुमकां कितें फाटले 3 महिन्या कळ्ळे.
What is the harm of having a MOPA PDA?
No, I am asking you. I am asking on planning. I am on planning. I am not on harm.
1 minute.
3 महिन्या पयलीं कळ्ळे मोपा येतलो म्हणून.
Please understand. Who told you that PDA will not function as per that notified plan? Who told you this? Why are you jumping the gun every now and
Then
then?
why are you forming a PDA if it is supposed to function as per that plan?
1 minute. PDA has got more powers. Please don't confuse the whole issue. What powers PDA has for planning, town and country planning doesn't
Rajan
have.
Bab, if that is
1 minute.
so, if that is so,
I will tell you.
Why was
the-
Pedne notified in the first place?
Again, I'm telling you, even if it is notified and the PDA functions within that notification and does
I agree
the
on
1
this.
minute, the infrastructure. 1 minute, when Agnel was the PDA chairman, Taligaon's today infrastructure was done through PDA. It cannot be done by town and country planning.
No, my point is,
And therefore,
Rajan Bab,
There is PWD also.
what?
no,
There is
Rajan
PWD.
Bab,
Arey Baba,
Rajan
when
Bab,
you are
my
doing the
point
planning by
is,
PWD, no,
Rajan Bab, my
execute.
point
We'll
is,
execute.
Rajan Bab, my point is, 6 months back, after completing a process of 8 long years, you notify one taluka.
I notified
And
I'm
then
not-
in 6 months again,
Please
you
understand.
say we are
We are
getting a
having a-
PDA out of it.
because
What is the logic?
The logic is the town and country planning cannot execute the infrastructure that
You
is
agree
already
with
planned.
this? I mean, you agree with this? Now,
See,
this is
this
a
nobody
real.
agrees. That's the law.
No. Now we are talking a real case of Pedne Taluka.
Yes,
You agree with
yes.
this?
See, my point is, first, what I get scared of is the PDA has more powers. Now, when it has more powers, what does it mean? Does it bypass the local population, or does it work with the local population? In my opinion, it has mostly bypassed the local population. MOPA is a classic.
Power means bypassing local population.
Seems to be the case. It seems to be dealt from a central position, which comes and says, okay, this is what you have to do in this place. All right. The whole population in Mocha, or a large part of population in Mocha, is opposed to the airport. Yeah. So if it had gone through a process, which was a constitutional process, where the villages had a right to decide for their village, the scenario would be very different. All right. In my opinion, these are the things that I feel are wrong with the PDA. The PDA has, from being a body that was assisting, a planning process, has now becoming the determinant of a planning process, which means that they are now saying that you will listen to what we do. All right. And if you see also the plans that we are getting over there, there's almost on every plan they've had some problem. You see the Kalangut plan that has been challenged because of one approval which has been given. All right, which means that they have taken their authority to such a level which they believe that they can do it the way they want without having to answer anybody.
See, he's from the beginning, he's saying he has not understood the vision. and therefore he seems to be
Nobody
confused.
has understood the vision.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, you won't, but as long as you don't want to understand the vision, you
No,
will not
everybody
understand.
wants to understand the vision.
No,
I have
the-
a honest
see-
question about Pedne. I'm
No, I'm
bringing
coming
a
back
case
to
in
that. I'm coming to Pedne.
I'm
only.
bringing a case
I'm
in question.
coming to Pedne.
Yeah.
The plan, he says, what people have not taken, people have been taken into confidence, and that regional plan has been notified.
Yes.
So the PDA will work as per that regional plan. What's the worry about
So
it?
are you, then where is the, why do you
because
need a
the double
PDA?
over.
Then why do you need a
Because
PDA?
again, I'm telling you, the infrastructure can only be started operating through
You
the
agree with
So
this?
why do you then discriminate against other villages? If you think that
Here comes
no,
the point.
no, the planning can be done by
See,
town
he's
planning.
not on the point that it cannot be done. My
no.
question is again and again.
So when Agnel Bab raises a point
See,
that
regional-
there can be more PDAs, you are happy.
No.
Huh?
My question is that the regional plan, what is notified, the PDA will function as per that regional
You
plan.
agree with
What's the
this?
problem?
Okay.
Now you all are going ahead. Now the High Court had to come down and strike this ODP of Kandolim Kalam.
It has not stuck the ODP.
Yes.
It has only said the procedure has not been followed.
That is stuck.
Nothing
That means
doing.
that-
It will come back.
Yeah, but in a different way. You have to go to the process. That ODP as it stands now is no longer existing.
okay.
As of today. Now you are in such a hurry to do this ODP. What was that ODP? Only conversion of orchard lands. No planning. You show me what is the planning done in Kandolim Kalangut PD except for giving more land, converting orchard lands and destroying our sand dunes and everything. What is the planning? No planning is done. So, if you are going to say that there is planning is as far as only converting the lands, why do we need PDS? People of Kandolim and Kalangut have done the massive exercise of RP. Why can't you do the same hurry
See, he is
for
talking of
RP?
things. He is talking of things which happened much before the TCP board meeting that took place on 23rd. TCP board meeting has laid down certain basic guidelines to start operation.
Okay.
And that will put everything in order.
No,
Why are you not
Agnel
giving
Bab,
chance?
Agnel
You
Bab.
are taking the whole heap of our past and bringing it right now.
Agnel Bab, you agree with his point on MOPA. तर तो म्हणता की प्लॅन असा त्या प्लॅनाप्रमाणे आम्ही फंक्शन करतले म्हणून पीडीए कडेन चड पावर आहात म्हणून आम्ही एक मोपा पीडीए तयार केला यू एग्री विथ दिस
टाउन प्लॅनिंग मिनिस्टर म्हणटा आय विल गो बाय द 2001 तुम्ही नोटिफाय केला तर 2021 तुम्ही खंयचे करतले खंयचो प्लॅन करतले एज फॉर विच प्लॅन यू आर गोइंग टू गो नाउ
See, the question is, the plan has been notified. There.
which one
Wait, he's talking of a plan which is not notified, of areas which are not
he
notified.
never said that this is going to be the base this
See,
is he said
he
for the whole
doesn't-
of Goa
See,
the base is going to be 2001
see,
how
when-
can you get half of 2001
see.
and half of
Another
Goa?
thing is, once an area is declared for planning, PDA becomes an automatic choice for that.
No,
There is no choice for you.
RP 2001
Because
or
once
RP
the
2021
once the
is for
area
the whole of Goa. You
is
cannot have
notified.
for
See,
Perne
in November
2020.
2016, it has been notified for planning. Now, when it is notified for planning, that area will nobody has raised his voice, and as I'm right to tell you, nobody wants to understand. Only want to come and make some noise and oppose.
No, RP
Today,
is the
even
whole of
education
Goa.
hub is being opposed.
Okay.
Everything is being opposed today.
RP is for the whole of Goa.
We are only
Can
opposing.
we have 2021
There is no
for
proposal, only
Pernem
opposing.
and Mopa and
Come with the
2001 for
proposal.
Kalangut and Kandolim? Can you have that?
I have not understood a vision. Come with a vision.
See, he asked a very simple question. He asked a very simple.
not very simple.
We are trying to understand. We are the people who are trying to understand. Okay. What we are trying to understand is. No. We are trying. He asked a very nice question. He said that there is a. When the town and country planning minister says that the base plan for Goa is going to be 2001. So is it going to be 2021 only for Pedne?
See, 1 minute. He says base plan will be 2001 because there are in the 2000 many what was there as what you call that as settlement have gone into orchard. Please understand what he talks about. The constitutional provision is only to consult. It's not binding.
Okay.
Please understand this constitutional position first.
You agree
Consulting
with
is
this
not
position.
binding.
You agree with this position that whatever we are doing right now is a good planning process.
You have to agree.
In nutshell,
Till you give
in
the chance
nutshell,
for at least 6 months to
Rajan
see
Bab-
how it is moving
Rajan
forward.
Bab, in nutshell,
You can't bring the past
in
and
nutshell,
shove it on the head of the present.
you are saying that whatever you are doing right now is quite okay.
it is for the best of my
So
cars.
what Mr. Rajan is saying, you have to agree. All right. Now the problem is when this is typically a statement of what comes from a PDA. All right. You have to agree. All right. In other words, the people are left without a choice. Okay. You look at your what he says is absolutely right. If 2001 is our base map, all right, then actually we have wiped out the voices of the villages if they were, you know, participating in the regional plan 2021. All right. That is number one. The villages don't act in an advisory capacity under the constitutional amendments. They are the ones who decide how the planning is going to be for their villages, and they can be assisted by officers who are planning experts to guide them through the process. Now, this is where I want to correct Rajan, because he feels that there is only an advisory capacity.
It is only advisory.
Yeah, wait.
It isn't.
It is.
No, Rajan, wait. Now the second point.
And I will
is-
tell you,
No, Rajan,
in the
Rajan,
last
Rajan,
plan, one
Rajan,
minute,
Yeah.
in the last plan, when all the advisory went from various villages, a big scam took place and everything was changed. And therefore the whole round and
My
shout.
question is very simple.
Therefore, let's see,
Rajan Bab,
give the
Rajan
present
Bab,
town
I am
and
trying
country
to
planning
understand.
minister to see how best
Rajan
is trying
Bab,
to correct those.
Rajan Bab, I am trying to
You are
understand.
talking about the past and trying to stop the
Rajan
present.
Bab, I am trying
How
to
does that work?
understand. I am trying to understand. Very simple thing. If it is only advisory, okay.
It
Then-
is, not if.
If it is only advisory.
Done by the local
No,
body
I am
as
on a
per
very
the
simple
constitution,
question.
yes.
I am on a very
77
simple question. I will, as a politician, you are telling me that you will go to the villages, you will take suggestions from the people, you will understand from them what they want for their village and
do
what
what
they
they
don't want their village. Then you will come to Panjim and you will say, it is just suggestion. I just don't care. I am going to sit here and do what I want to do.
1 minute, 1 minute.
That's what you are telling
1
me.
minute,
I am trying to
1 minute,
understand.
1 minute.
Yeah,
If what they were saying is right, no,
yeah.
many panchayats would have gone to the court. Please understand.
I'm not saying that.
Wait,
I'm
wait.
asking on a
I'm
basic
coming.
principle.
No, no, I'm
that you will
coming.
listen
I'm
to the
coming.
people, you
I'm
will come to
coming.
Panjim,
I'm
you
coming.
won't care.
I'll tell you one thing. 1 minute, let me finish. He belongs to the Congress party.
Yeah.
I showed him the Santander MLA who's sitting there where your areas have been included. 1
this is
minute.
politics, yeah.
Yes,
That's a good point.
I'm coming to the point.
That's a good point.
Because you say people. They are also representing people.
Now,
1
this is
minute.
the
Let me finish.
yeah.
Wait. Plus, Taligaon MLA is silent.
Yeah.
Santander MLA is silent.
Yes. Good point.
1 minute. And Philip Neri representing the Congress on the board.
Yeah.
Welcomes the whole thing.
Yeah.
So which are the people are you talking
Agnew Bab, now
about?
this is very crucial and critical. Ultimately, जर तुम्ही म्हणतात की यादी वाले सगळे चुकला, as you are saying from the beginning, this is a mess. This is going wrong everywhere. Where is the opposition?
You see-
Why is each MLA of yours, which is getting impacted with this bifurcation, in good way or bad way, is silent?
Now see, you talk about the Congress party.
Yeah.
CLP has taken a decision, and Babu Kolekar has made a statement already that we are against it.
Making a statement is not a policy matter. They don't have a policy. If they had a policy, they
Is
have to
the
take.
policy of the CLP?
Let me finish now. If the policy is LLP, notice should go to the show cause notice should go to the MLAs who are supporting all this.
Okay.
What are you talking?
The
It's
party.
no policy.
No, see,
They
here-
don't, there is
here
no
are three
discipline in
points.
that party. I know
Rajan
it.
Bab, Rajan
Better
Bab,
than better than anybody else.
Rajan Bab, there are 3 points now. The first point is your Philip Neri MLA is on the TCP board. He did not put a note of dissent. Correct?
He welcomed it. He said the best
Correct.
plan.
No,
best-
I'm sticking to the limited point of not putting because they are opposing it. Okay? He did not put a note of dissent. Second, you have a Santander MLA who has not come out and raised his voice even once. Third, you have a Taligaon MLA who has not said a single thing about this bifurcation. What moral right does your party have to say that this is a mess?
We have 16 MLAs. You're quoting 3 MLAs.
3 MLAs who are getting
no,
impacted.
No, for whatever. So if you're talking about
They
the
are the
policy
people,
of the
they are
party,
representing
if you're
people.
talking about the policy of my party, the policy of the party is very clear. Shantaram Naik has spoken about it. That is against it. Babu Kaulekar, who is the CLP leader, he has
Moment
spoken
there
about
is a
it.
policy,
Now 3 people
and
may have,
MLA does not
have their
function
own
as a
views,
policy.
but that is
What
not
action have you taken?
That is not a
Is my
policy.
question.
That is a separate matter. That is a separate matter for the party to take action.
that is what I'm saying,
separate.
you know.
But
Therefore, they are not firm.
But we are discussing whether PDA bifurcation is good or bad for the
Arre,
people
but
of
the
Goa.
PDA good is the representatives are saying it is good. So what you are talking Sri Kalangun and I talking Sri Mapsa has no meaning.
Is there a letter
They are-
from
they are-
them? Is
they are
there a letter from
representing
them?
the people.
Is there a letter from them?
They have welcomed it in the press.
Okay. Okay.
Where?
Rajan Bab,
Where?
Silver has welcomed it.
Where?
Check it.
No.
Where?
Are you aware- are you aware
No,
news
no,
analysts
Agdal
have
Bab, the
welcomed?
point is, तांचा आर्ग्युमेंट इतलेंच आसा की इतली जर त्रास जाता जाल्यार तुमच्या आमदारांनी आवाज काडपाक जाय आशिल्लो. ओके, दॅट इज पॉयंट 1. दुसरी गजाल, आय वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू अ व्हेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड थिंग बिकॉज वी आर ऑन अ पॉलिटिकल क्वेश्चन रायट नाव. तुमकां दिसता की हें जें सगळें जालां इज आउट ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स आनी ताका आमी अशी करपाक सोदतात, तशी करपाक सोदतात, अशी गरज आसा, तशी गरज आसा म्हण ताका एक बरें रुपडी चडोवपाचो प्रयत्न चल्ला. यू बिलीव दॅट दॅट दीस इज पॉलिटिकल and some of your own MLAs are also a part of that.
See, I'll tell
Let's
you.
admit it.
I was chairman of PDA.
Yeah.
Manohar Parrikar was leader of opposition.
Yeah.
He was screaming in the assembly that villages should not be brought under PDA at that time. Now he's the same person, he's adding more PDAs, bifurcating, doing whatever he wants. Now, whether it is good or bad, people of Goa are shouting against it. Now 3 people...
Is the step political?
Definitely.
Only out of political...
what I'm saying is...
Only out of
Yes.
political compulsions.
Yes, you see the what is leading up to this. One person joins one party, he is given one. Another party shouts, one PDA is created. If you think PDAs are the engine of development, why not other villages? Why not other villages? Why are you concentrating only on this, where these people are making a noise? Goa Forward made a noise, they got one PDA. MGP made a noise, another PDA is bifurcated. They are saying, no, CM will take...
Michael made a noise, he got 2 villages.
He got 2 more villages.
Yeah.
Michael all the time was saying that we should not bifurcate. I am going to sacrifice for the people of Goa. I am ready to sacrifice my PDA. Now he is saying, I am very happy that I have got 2 more villages.
No, my final thing to Arminia Babu is, looking at this situation, do you really think there is any process of planning? Ultimately, it is planning and development authority. There is planning or there is only individual development here?
I think first of all, if you listen to both of them talk, it seems to be now the cake is much bigger and everybody wants a part of it. All right. So politically, it's something that the comments would go defend and attack one another. So politically, I wouldn't take any of these arguments seriously. All right. But if you ask me in terms of planning, there's absolutely been no planning. The government has not been serious in planning. I'm not talking just this government. I'm talking earlier governments and even before that. PDAs were just instruments to have objectives.
To placate people.
To placate people and to have to sort basically short-term objectives. Yeah. What is absent in all this process is a long-term objective. And if this government, which Trajan represents, all right, is serious, all right, there can be a tremendous opportunity to do things for better. And if you ask me, Trajan, the thing is that I would do first is to increase the clarity of what you all are doing. Yeah,
Okay,
because
action will prove.
Yeah.
because what is happening is, first it came with the story of 3 chief town planners. Now we are talking about PDAs. Then we are talking about other issues. All right. The point is that right from the beginning, if say the government came forward and said, all right, this is our overall vision. We think that we need 3 chief town planners. We need so many PDAs. We have this kind of a things. This is our study and our report that we have examined the situation, this thing demographically, there's a growth over here, there's a business requirement over here, there's an infrastructure requirement over here. If the government starts spelling this out, and this spelling out, if you ask me, actually comes from the regional plan.
Correct.
Absolutely. It does not come from any other thing, but it comes from the regional plan and further analysis and study.
Absolutely.
It cannot come just by, a random statement that comes. To me, till today, everything sounds random.
I think,
More importantly is because this particular government has been shouting that they are going to work for Goa. Yeah. It is more important that they should be very clear and they should be very
very हांव इतल्याचेर थांबता नमो वेळ सारको सोंपला पण म्हाका दिसता एकूच गोंयकारांची रिक्वेस्ट आसतली राजकारण कशें आसता हें आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आनी ना शीस तू यू स्पोकन द मोस्ट ऑन दिस डिबेट सो राजकारण कशें आसता हें म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांक खबर आसता पण बेजीक लोकांची इतलीच अपेक्षा आसता की तुमचे राजकारणाच्या कबड्डी भितर गोंयचें घट्टण जावपाक जायना ते गोंयचें घट्टण करनाकात आणि इतलेच मागतात No, I'm saying this.
Representatives of the people,
representatives of the people in last 2 elections, 80% of cabinet people have sent home. These are the same representatives.
These people who are doing all this will
see same representatives. It is 2 successive governments. 80% of the cabinets have gone home. So what happens to representatives of people? We all know. My only thing is, when you are in power, गोंयचे घट्टण करपासारखे कांय करनाकात आणि जितले एन्थुजियाजमान PDA तयार जातात तितल्याच एन्थुजियाजमान एक रिजनल प्लॅनिंग आमकां मेळचो इतलेच मागता आनी थांबता आयले इतली बरे तरेन मतां मांडली थँक्स अ लॉट पळयत रावात प्रुडंट नमस्कार.